Hello and welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. In today's demo, we'll be exploring the dynamic formula feature in the user grid. A dynamic formula field is a type of field that references other fields or objects within the system and updates dynamically as values change, allowing for value calculations and information display. Our goal today is to create a column that automatically calculates the annual recurring revenue, ARR, from the amount field. To do this, we'll go to the Grid Explorer and then Column section. Scroll down, click Create New. Here are the field types, and all available fields. Here, we have access to a variety of functions such as math, text, and logical operations. Next, we'll set the field type as currency and label it as ARR. For the field, we'll select the amount column and create a formula that multiplies it by 12. We'll check the syntax to ensure there are no errors. Click Save. Let's add the column we just created to the grid. Click Apply. Close the Grid Explorer. Finally, let's test the dynamic functionality by making some changes and seeing if the ARR value updates accordingly. Perfect, the value has changed. Thank you for watching.